In Saudi Arabia's Mecca, extreme weather wreaked havoc as powerful winds and heavy rains battered the region. As the pilgrims circled the Kaaba, a bolt of lightning struck the renowned Fairmont Mecca Clock Royal Tower Hotel, illuminating the night sky on the night of 22nd August. Outside the mosque, worshippers struggled against the forceful wind, causing crowd barriers to skid across the wet floor. However, no casualties or major incidents were reported by the Saudi authorities. The storm brought strong winds that exceeded 80 kilometers per hour, according to Saudi's meteorology center. Soon, a red alert was issued for the province and various parts of the kingdom due to the persistently unstable weather conditions. Residents said that flash flooding had largely subsided by the next morning. However, the situation still held potential risks. In Saudi Arabia's Mecca, extreme